Oh my god. Oh, he's just sleeping on my computer now. Yeah. Here, let me just... Oh no. Wait, how does the camera work? How does it work? How do cameras work? Okay, look, there. Wait. No, I can't angle it right there. He's just chilling. Okay. Let me move this back. Okay, hopefully I didn't mess up the camera. No, don't stand on the power button. Oh my god. No! Oh. He used to turn my computer off like every day. A YouTuber? Is this a YouTuber? This is aesthetic. They're a YouTuber. I can't read on YouTube. I can't read on YouTube. It doesn't work. I'm sorry. I can't. Oh, there's cat hair on my computer now. Okay, I got rid of it. Oh wait, react? Wait. I'm scared to watch this on stream. Maybe I will maybe do this in another stream. I'll look at a few of their videos before just so I know it's not going to be anything bad. And then I will maybe look at the next stream. Next stream, okay? Why am I in lava? Okay. Next stream, guys. Okay. So I think I'm gonna oh, creeper. So I think I'm gonna raid Hannah because